I gotta work on this car. 2019 Toyota Camry. It's a LE. This is the coin box holder. It'll close, but eventually it's gonna fall back down. I'm gonna use this. It's plastic to prevent scratching. And then right now I can just pull it out. This is the new one. It's in this box. I got it from Amazon. If you search on Amazon, just type in the year of your car and then Toyota Camry and then type coin box holder. You should get a lot of these. You should get different option from different seller to buy it from. The new one, the old one. The new one, this one, it might be slightly darker. I think the two clip back here, I didn't push far enough. So I don't think they click in. Okay, now they're clip in. Thanks for watching.